Hello everyone, in today's video we will see our 343 problem number, which is integer break, and we are given with an integer n and we need to break that into the sum of k, and k will be a positive number and the value of k will be more than 2, more or equal than 2, and we need to find the maximum product which we get of those integer. So let us see the example. So here n is equal to 2. So here we can break 2 into 1 and 1. So the 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 1 into 1 will be 1. So we need to return the maximum product. So here maximum product is 1, so we'll return 1. And here it is 10. So we can break it into any number which is positive integer, and the and it should be more than, the number should be more than equal to 2. So here it is 10. So we can break 10 into 10 ones. For example, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to 10, and the sum will be 10, but the product will be 1, which is not the maximum one. So again we will um, take 2 to 2 to 5 times, so the sum will be 10, but the product will be 2 to the power 5, so it comes out to be 32, so which is not a maximum one. So now we will take 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 4, so it is equal to 10, and the product comes out to be 3 into 3 into 4, which is 36. And further, if we try to take 4 plus 4 plus 2, it comes out to be 10, but 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 2 is 32. So again it comes out to be 32, which is less than 36, so we will take 36 as the maximum one. So this is a dynamic programming problem. So let us try to code this one. So here we can notice one thing, that if n is equal to 3, so the maximum product will be 1, which is n minus 1. And if n is equal to, here n is equal to 2, so we'll break it into 1 plus 1, so product will be 1. So it is n, and this is n, and this is n minus 1. So if we take n is equal to 3, so we will break it into 2 plus 1, so the product will be 2. So the final product will be 2 if we take n as 3. So the product is basically n minus 1, so we can write it as, if n is equal to 2 or n is equal to 3, we will simply return n minus 1. Okay, and now let us create a vector array. Vector int dp of size n plus 1, and initialize its elements to be 0, and let us initialize our first element to be 1. Okay, now we will create a for loop which will start from I is equal to 2, because we have already considered for the first 0 and 1, which is this one. And now we will start with I is equal to 2, and I should be less than, and I should be less than equal to 2, equal to n, and I plus plus, and we will define a maximum, and we will put it as I, and then we will create another for loop of int j is equal to 1, and j should be less than I and j plus plus. And now we will replace our maximum with, let us write it as max product, and in max product we will add maximum of max product and j into dp of I minus j. And then we will put the value in our vector array, at last we will return tp of n. Let us try to run this. Okay, so it is passing the test cases. So let us try to submit this. Okay, it is getting submitted. Thank you guys. Do like, subscribe and support me. Thank you so much.